In the dynamic world of tech, staying charged on the go is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. Introducing the Cuktech 20 and Cuktech 15 power bank, a game changer that combines high efficiency, quick charging capability, and a sleek design. Let's delve into what makes this power bank a standout in the crowded market. Welcome to Enoylity Technology, your place for the latest tech reviews and concept render. And before moving ahead, do subscribe and hit the bell icon for regular updates. When you choose the Cuktech 20 power bank, you don't just get a device, you get a complete charging solution. Included in the package are the power bank, 2 C1A ports, a 6A 240W C-to-C charging cable, an instruction manual, and our 18-month worry-free service. Plus, our dedicated customer service team is always ready to assist you. The Cuktech 20 power bank doesn't just meet standards, it sets them. Delivering a whopping 140W of power, it is fully compliant with the latest PD3, One charging protocol. Say goodbye to sluggish charging, as this power bank provides a quick charging solution tailored for high-powered devices like the 65.6 of a MacBook Pro. Compared to ordinary chargers, it's in a league of its own. Equipped with an auto-grade battery, the Cuktech 20 is built to last, boasting over 1,000 charge cycles, more than 3 times the lifespan of regular power banks. With a reliable 25,000 mAh power source, it can charge your MacBook Pro 1.2 times or your iPhone 14 up to 4 times. It's not just power, it's power you can count on. Stay informed and in control with the intuitive TFT display. Real-time information on battery level, power, voltage, and current is at your fingertips. The graphical display makes understanding its status a breeze, ensuring you're always in the know about your power bank's performance. Crafted with modern aesthetics in mind, the Cuktech 20 power bank is about the size of a can of cola. The classic gray matte design, complemented by a futuristic blue light strip, showcases the perfect blend of fashion and high technology. Whether you're on the go or using it daily, this power bank is an unbeatable choice. Don't wait around for your power bank to charge. The Cuktech 20 supports an ultra-speedy 110W input, refilling itself in no time. In just 19 minutes, enjoy a 40% boost and around 2 hours for a full charge. Hit the road with confidence, knowing your power bank is ready when you are. The Cuktech 20 offers a variety of charging options to suit your needs. 1. Port fast charging. Type-C 1, 140W for laptop, 120W for Xiaomi phone. Type-C 2, 45W for laptop, 60W for Xiaomi phone. Type-A 1, 30W. 2. Port fast charging. Mix and match your ports for a customized charging experience. 3. Port fast charging. Combine all ports for simultaneous charging of multiple devices. Planning air travel? The Cuktech 20 power bank is suitable for onboard carriage, ensuring you stay powered up wherever your journey takes you. With the Cuktech 20 power bank, charging is not just a necessity, it's an experience. Stay charged, stay connected, and redefine your charging standards with this high-efficiency, quick-charging powerhouse. Now let's talk about Cuktech 15 power bank, a robust and high-capacity solution designed to meet the diverse charging needs of your devices. Let's explore the features that make it a standout in the portable power arena. The package includes the Cuktech 15 power bank, a 3.3 feet 240W, 6A fast-charging data cable, compatible with PD3, One protocol, and a comprehensive user manual. Rest easy knowing you have everything you need for a seamless charging experience. At the heart of the Cuktech 15 power bank lies a powerhouse, a 20,000 mAh high-capacity battery. This formidable energy reserve provides ample power to charge your iPhone 14 up to 3.3 times or give your MacBook Air a full recharge. Tailored for outdoor use, this power bank is your worry-free companion, ensuring your devices stay powered wherever your adventures take you. Equipped with 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port, the Cuktech 15 power bank offers a versatile charging solution. With a maximum output power of up to 100W, 150W for Xiaomi, it can efficiently charge laptops, phones, tablets, or any other USB-powered devices. Say goodbye to power struggles. This power bank addresses diverse power needs efficiently, making it your go-to charging companion in any location. No time to waste? The Cuktech 15 power bank has you covered. Compatible with multiple fast charging protocols including PPS, PD3.0, and QC3.0, it meets the fast charging needs of various devices. With a maximum 100W fast charging capability for laptops, the MacBook Air can reach a 55% charge in just 30 minutes. Efficiency at its finest. Built to last, the Cuktech 15 power bank employs auto-grade 21700 power cells and features an extra-large metal heat plate for effective heat dissipation. Real-time temperature monitoring with 4 built-in sensors enhances durability and ensures the power bank's longevity. The high-power charging and discharging capabilities contribute to faster charging times and extended usage. Style meets functionality with the Cuktech 15 power bank. A stylish silver-frosted body with a black anti-slip texture provides a comfortable grip. Its rectangular design allows for upright placement, optimizing space efficiency. Whether you're on an outdoor adventure, a business trip, or just commuting, its convenience is unparalleled. Choose your charging style with a variety of options. 1. Port fast charge. Type-C 100W for laptop, 120W for Xiaomi phone. Type-C 33W for laptop. Type-A 33W. 2. Port fast charge. Mix and match ports for a customized charging experience. 3. Port fast charging. Combine all ports for simultaneous charging of multiple devices. Jet setting, the Cuktech 15 power bank is suitable for onboard carriage during air travel, ensuring you stay powered up wherever your journey takes you. With the Cuktech 15 power bank, you're not just carrying a power bank, you're carrying a portable energy hub. Stay charged, stay connected, and embrace the freedom of reliable power with this cutting-edge solution. This was everything about the video. Do hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and give your reviews to comments down below. This is Enoylity Technology, and we will see you guys in the next one. Till then,